Hello everyone, it's Lee from Dilly Jones. Welcome back to my channel and to another kit lineup video. I've got my kit lineup for May coming at you, and when I did my April kit lineup I kind of forgot about lots of things. I was just thinking baby. So I showed you the kit for the 28th of April, but the week of the 28th of April is actually my grandpa's 100th birthday. And my grandpa had an allotment until he was in his 90s. So I am going with this greenhouse kit from Plannerface for his birthday, which I know it seems like a random choice, but I don't really have very many birthday kits because I used one for every week last year for my 30th birthday, and the kits I do have just don't seem appropriate for my grandpa, so this kind of feels like it represents him better, so I'm going with this. So this is my main planner, which is the one you see on this channel. Plan with me will be back, or may well be back before you've even seen this video, but I don't know. So yeah, this is the kit we are going with for my main planner, and this is the March 2024 mystery from Plannerface. I do PR for Plannerface, so you can use Tilly to save 10%, but the discount doesn't work on customs or on the mystery. So this is the format. This is a slightly older format, I believe. Yeah, I will go over if I've got a new format, which I think the next kit might be. I will go over the kit format when we've got that, but you get loads and loads of extras with the mystery, including this toolbox and things, so loads and loads to play with. And there is the allotments. I will definitely be using this double box theme. So my grandpa is in a care home. We are going out for a meal on his actual birthday, and the day after his birthday he's having a party at his care home. So that's the kit. And then maybe zoom out a little bit more. Then for foil bundle wise, I thought this stars foil bundle would be great, and it does have, I'm just going to quickly try and get the lighting decent for it. It's got these holographic line stars as well. So you've got your 2 sheets of the 4 boxes, 2 sheets of star underlays. You've got your script and icon, and this is the newer script and icon page. And then the slightly older, so if I bring that up you can see that that's holographic lines, slightly older bottom washi page without hole protectors, but that's fine. So that is the foil bundle. And then underlay wise, I am using these solid shattered orange underlays, and then I will layer over the stars as well, and I think that is absolutely stunning. I just love how this is going to look. I like the vision in my head. It's a perfection. So that is what we are going with. I know that's probably twinning with nobody, but yeah, that's for my grandpa's birthday, 100th birthday. Amazing. And then for the rest of May, I'm just kind of doing a few random bits and pieces. We are doing some nice springy into summer kits. So I have Spring Awakening, which was the January 2025 mystery from Plannerface, and this is the current Plannerface format, so I will go over this a little bit more. And it's this gorgeous kit. You've got like the house scene and stuff. I will be in a lot of the time because I do have a newborn who will be about a month old. She'll be a month old this week. So yeah, so that is the 4 boxes, and then you have your 2 extra 4 boxes, flags, habit trackers, paint swatches, flag checklists and Monday through Sunday things. You've got your boxes page there with quarter and half boxes. Then you've got your little things page, so you get 4 little things and 2 big like little things, but they're quarter box-ish size. Then you get third boxes and a bigger quarter box. Ombre heart checklists, these are flags up here like that. Third boxes and some appointment labels. Bottom washi, date covers and some more little things there with some washi strips at the bottom. Then you always get alternate skin and hair tones, so these 3 will be alternate skin and hair tones, and this is an extra box there. Then we have the 50mm add-on, the toolbox add-on, and you've got 2 different fashion people here. And then you have the new script and icon page, not script and icon page, icon and glitter header page, with the new weekend banner and the deco there. Then the box add-on, which has more little things. Third boxes are slightly smaller than a half box and a big quarter box. Then this kit we have an extra add-on, so we have an extra colour, so there's the whole like extra colour if you want to pull that in, and then you get the mystery add-on, so we've got the outside of the house. This would look so cute, being an outside of house opening to the inside of a house, which I'm hopefully going to be able to do. I do need 2 day extenders in a row for that, but fingers crossed. And then this is the rest of the mystery add-on. This page is exclusive to the mystery, so you won't be able to pick that up now, but yeah. So that is the kit. And then foil wise, I'm going relatively simple with the foil. So I have this floral in rose from Scrub Prince Co. kit to pull in some of the pinky colours and the florals. So you've got 2 boxes of your 4 boxes. I've pulled out the bougie because it was just bougie and I didn't want to use it. Script and icon page and the bottom washi there. That is quite an old format. So we've got that, and then with that I am going to pull in these daisy dot underlays in lilac from my shop to pull in a bit more of the purple, because purple is my favourite colour, with pink. Pink is not one of my favourite colours at all, but I love how this is going to look. I think it's going to really pull together and be absolutely stunning, and that is for the week of the 5th of May. For the week of the 12th of May, I actually showed this in my April kit lineup. As I said, I'm trying to keep it like with at-homey style kits because I am going to be at home the vast majority of the time with a newborn. And this is actually my husband's, this week will be my husband's first full week at work. So I will very much be on my own 3 of the days, which will be very new, and trying to adapt to that, so we will see how it goes. This is a very old Scribble Prince Co format, so I am not going to linger on the format at all. It may be quite difficult for me to use, but we will manage. So that is the kit. As I said, I did show this in my April kit lineup, so I don't want to linger too much. Then we have the Lavender Hollow Y2K foil bundle to go with it. So you've got your 4 boxes there, you've got your bougie, script and icons, and your bottom washi there. I love that lavender foil wiggle. And then with it I am just pulling in some unfoiled / lilac, these underlays from Plannerface Co, and I will just layer that with the bougie there. I can't get a good wiggle on it, but yeah, it does have the bougie on as well, and I just think that will look super cute. And I'm pulling in a bit more of the black from the kit. So that's for the week of the 12th of May. For the week of the 19th of May, we are rocking the Plannerface mystery kits. In fact, we have 4 Plannerface mystery kits this month. So this is the March 2023. So we have a 2023, 2024, and 2 2024s and 1 2025 mystery. So all of the Plannerface mysteries this month. So yeah, we have this English Village kit here. Again, it's nice, quintessential sort of spring going into summer. Very British, very much love this. So they're your 4 boxes. These are big little things rather than a 4 box, which really confused me because I don't remember this ever being a Plannerface format. I love that cat there, so cute. Got your boxes page, littles, ombre heart check boxes, your so this is a 4 box, so that's where the extra 4 boxes. Your bottom washi page, box add-on, glitter add-on, then your alternate skin and hair tones, a zoom in of the telephone box, book box, tour boxes, the 50mm add-on, the old icon and deco sheet, and then the script and icon page. And this script and icon page, the double box here is York. So yeah, which is my closest town, which is really exciting. So maybe we'll try and go to York this week and go down the shambles. Yeah, there. But yeah, so that's there. And then I've kept foil relatively simple with it. We have gone for silver foil, and it is a Plannerface. Again, I do PR for Plannerface to save 10% foil bundle, and silver, which I think will really pop with this. And we've gone for the floral little, like small subtle florals to bring in the flowers again from the kit. So you've got your 2 script, your 4 box and headers. You've got your bougie and icons, and then your bottom washi and scripts there, which is the Plannerface 5-page format. So that's there. And then underlay wise, I'm pulling in these brick underlays from my shop in a foil that doesn't foil very well, so I haven't released, and then I will be overlaying the silver confetti with it, and I think that looks super cute. So I am excited for that. I just think the colours of the foil match really well with the colours of the kit. So I think that will be stunning, but yeah, unfortunately, as you can see, it doesn't foil hugely well, so I couldn't release that foil in the shop. And that is English Village for the week of the 19th. So finally, for my on-camera planner, the week of the 26th of May, we do have Bluebell Wood from Plannerface again. So we have 4 Plannerface kits, all mystery kits here. So it's going to be very mystery kit heavy. We already have 2 scenes on these 4 boxes, which I think are stunning. Absolutely gorgeous, and I love the colours and the green. I just, yeah, obsessed with this. So you've got your 2 extra 4 boxes there, your boxes page, littles, and this is the older format as we have discussed, your bottom washi, icon and deco. You've got alternate skin and hair colours. Alternate skin and hair colours. We have the toolbox add-on there. We have the 15mm add-on, glitter box, and then the mystery add-on is a 3rd scene. So we have 3 scenes in this kit, which could be really interesting to use. So you've got the lake, the picnic, and the Bluebell Wood. So that will be really interesting. Let's see what we do there. And then foil bundle wise, I do have this Plannerface foil bundle again, and this came in the advent this year, and this is rose gold. I think it'll pull in the nice like browns of the kit quite well. So this is very leafy and just absolutely stunning. So you've got your 2 pages of your 4 boxes and headers, your bougie, and your bottom washi there. So you've got 1 confetti and 1 of the like more leafy designs there. And then with that, I had to bring in some purple foil, of course. So I've gone with this wildflower design from my shop, and then I am going to layer the confetti bougie over the top of it. I think that is absolutely stunning, and it will really, really nicely pull in the purples of the kit. I'm really excited for all of these foil combos, to be honest with you. I think they're all going to be really, really pretty. And that is all of the kits for my on-camera planner. Moving to my off-camera planner, which is the planner I just use for fun and to have something to do like off-camera when I just feel like planning. So again, back to my grandpa's birthday, we are doing sort of another gardening kit, but this is the best I had. It's actually a market site kit, but yeah, it kind of works. We'll maybe try and go to the market in town this week. So really old Scribble Prints Co format. I've got some icons there that I thought matched to pull in. Lots of pages of this, and I think I had a second copy of it, so I've got lots of extras as well, which are just going to be kept with the kit for extra boxes and stuff, and we'll just see what I use and what I don't use. But yeah, loads and loads to use there. So that's all of the kits. And then again, I'm staying fairly simple with foil. We do just have this confetti silver, so from Scribble Prints Co. So we've got the 4 boxes, the bougie, the old script and icon page, and the old bottom washi page. And then I also have the spring quote sampler from Plannerface to pull in just for some extra little springy bits of magic. So that's there, nice and simple for the week of the 28th of May in my off-camera planner. Sticking with springish theme, I am going with this Moonflower December mystery from Crest Press for the week of the 5th. I think this is really stunning, and it'd be great for going to a beach or something, but I don't know how much beach things we're going to do, so I just thought I'd pull this in now. So I think the colours are really gorgeous. I really love the pop of the orangey yellowy colour there. I think it's really, really nice with this kit. I think it makes it really unique and pretty, and oh my gosh, look at those fashion people there. Then we have an extra box, 15mm, and then the deco page there. And then I thought I'd pull in more of the purples with Lavender Hollow again, and I've just got the tropical leaves because I feel like that matches quite nicely there with the vibes of the kit. So you've got your 4 boxes, your bougie, script and icon, and your bottom washi, which I think will be really stunning. I think it's a really nice pairing. I'm excited for this foil combo, to be honest. I'm quite excited for my May lineup. I think it's really pretty. Moving on to the week of the 12th, as I said, we're just going springy or at home. So this is our nice spring kit. We have the Buttercup kit from Strawberry Lime Designs, who unfortunately has now closed. But I absolutely love this kit, and I love the yellow. Yellow is one of my favourite colours, so anytime yellow is in a kit, I'm like, yes. I'm not going to linger on the design because obviously Strawberryland Designs is now closed. It's really sad how many shops are closing. I just, it's gutting. And she had a beautiful, beautiful format. I did get the 15mm add-on, but the rest of that is all kits. And then I thought I'd go a little bit more out there with this foil, not like hugely, but this is a mixed metals, champagne lights and silver. I just think that brings in the yellows nicely and also has the pop of the, in fact it's not, it's sparkly, it's champagne lights and sparkly hollow. It's not even silver. So you've got your 2 pages of your full boxes, your 2 pages of bougie, script and icon, and there you can see it was definitely sparkly hollow, and your bottom washi there. So super cute, super simple, but also I think will be stunning. So that's for the week of the 12th. For the week of the 19th, we are sticking with like English Village, and this was the December 2022 mystery from Squirrel Prince Co. And this is just a like very nice picnicky stately home type kit, which is quite quintessential British, to be fair. I think this is the current format from Squirrel Prince Co pretty much, because it's not changed in a little while. Then we've got the icons and stuff there, and lots of extra full boxes. Then foil wise, as you can see, I am going with gold foil. I do have one full box missing, but that will be absolutely fine in this planner. I tend to just use the 9 full boxes, maybe 10. So missing one is not a problem. So you've got your full boxes, and that's what the missing one looks like. And headers, then you, oh, I've actually got a 3rd page. So actually those ones are extra. So who knows? We've got bougie, script and icon page, and the bottom washi in the floral pattern. So that will just be nice. I think it'll bring out the colours of the kit. I think, yeah, I just think it's nice and summery and bright and colourful. So that's for the week of the 19th, and last but not least for the week of the 26th of May. Again, I showed this one in my April kit lineup because that was the plan, but then I remembered about my grandpa's birthday and things, so we are using the Bookish kit from Plannerface with art by Kinish Jess. So this is this gorgeous pastel-y book theme. So you've got your full boxes there, bottom washi, boxes page, littles and headers, your extra 2 full boxes, ombre heart check boxes, the old script and deco, then you've got your extra skin and hair colours, 15mm add-on, and then I get the box add-on as well. So nice and simple. And again, I'm bringing some florals in. This is the slightly older floral kit from Plannerface, just pulling the florals from various places, and this is in hollow. So that's your foil wiggle. So you've got your full boxes and headers, bougie, and I don't appear to have a bottom washi page, and I feel like I've noticed this before, and I should have extras somewhere, so I will try and find one and pair it up with this kit and deal with that later. So yeah, that is for the week of the 26th in my off-camera planner. So that is just about it for this video. We have my on-camera planner and my off-camera planner. Subscribe, like, all those kind of things if you want to see me plan with these kits. So this month we have 5 Plannerface kits, 3 Scribble Prints Co., 1 Grass Press and 1 Strawberryland Designs. So I'm super excited to see how this month goes. Comment, like down below, all that kind of jazz. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!